How to become a professional woodworker. Whether you are starting from scratch or already have some skills, I will share the steps to help you go pro. Learn the foundational skills like measuring, cutting, sanding, and assembling wood. You don't need expensive tools right away. Simple hand tools like saws, chisels, and clamps are enough to get you started. Start with small projects like shelves, picture frames, or simple furniture. Not only will this help you improve your skills, but you will also have examples to show potential clients or employers. Take high-quality photos of your work, take woodworking classes, watch tutorials, or join local workshops. There are so many resources online to help you master advanced techniques like joinery or wood carving. Also, learning from experts can inspire you and save you from making common mistakes. Once you are confident in your skills, it's time to upgrade. A table saw, power drill, or router can take your projects to the next level. But remember, you do not need to buy everything at once. Start with tools that match your projects. Do you love building furniture? Or maybe crafting small decorative items like cutting boards or toys? Finding your specialty will help you stand out in the woodworking world and attract clients who love your style. Join woodworking communities, attend trade shows, or even share your work on social media. Building connections with other woodworkers and showcasing your skills online can lead to new opportunities and customers. Try selling at local markets, craft fairs, or online platforms like Etsy. Pricing can be tricky. Make sure to consider the cost of materials, your time, and the value of your craftsmanship. The best woodworkers never stop improving. Experiment with new designs, try different types of wood, and keep up with industry trends. Passion and persistence are what turn a hobby into a thriving career. So, there you have it, 7 steps to becoming a professional woodworker. Whether you're just starting out or ready to take the leap, these tips will help you carve out a successful path in woodworking. Let me know in the comments what kind of woodworking projects you want to tackle. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and inspiration.